Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Replay. To begin, launch any Roblox experience. Once inside, look for the replay icon, often found in the top left or within the game's menu. Clicking this icon will open the replay interface, giving you immediate access to its powerful recording features. This tool allows you to capture your most exciting gameplay moments with just a few clicks, making it simple to document your adventures and share them later. Once the replay interface is open, you'll see a prominent record button. Simply click it to start capturing your gameplay. You can record segments up to 10 minutes long, ensuring you capture key events without excessive file sizes. To stop recording, click the button again. Remember, a small indicator will usually appear on your screen, confirming that your session is actively being recorded, so you're always aware. After recording, your replays are automatically saved and can be accessed through the replay menu. Here, you can easily browse your collection of captured moments. Select a replay to preview it and use the built-in trimming tools to cut out unwanted sections, focusing on the highlights. You can then export your polished video in common formats like MP4, ready for sharing or further editing in other software. Sharing your amazing Roblox moments is incredibly easy. From the replay menu, after selecting and refining your video, you'll find options to share directly to popular social media platforms such as YouTube or X. You can also save the video file locally and upload it manually wherever you prefer. This allows you to showcase your creativity and connect with friends and the wider Roblox community, celebrating your best gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.